Hey there everyone, this is Charles Alvarez, Prestige Detail and Ceramic, and today we are out in Fort Pierce. I'm doing a maintenance wash for a good customer of mine. It's pretty hot out here, so I've already been working for several hours, and this vehicle got a ceramic coating a few months back. It got Gtechniq Crystal Serum Light plus EXO top coat with the 5-year warranty. And he called me out here to do a full detail on his vehicle. So I've already done all the interior, cleaned all of it up really nice. I wound up doing it's like my lens is a little foggy. Clean that up there. All right, that's better. So I cleaned all the interior. I did a shampoo on all the floor mats and the carpet underneath. I cleaned up the headliner. It had some stains on it, several stains actually, especially towards the front. The seats had some pretty good stains on them, so I cleaned those up and did all of the back seats as well. Cloth interior, you know, stains quite a bit. This is all my equipment here. I actually wound up putting this on the inside of it. It's a hydro thread from Chemical Guys. I don't really use any of their products. I think this is the only product of theirs I've used in the past several years. But I was in a pinch one time. I needed to buy some fabric protection, and the company that I usually buy it from, they were out of stock. So I wound up picking up some of that at a local Chemical Guys detail garage, which is pretty convenient. So I'm trying to use the product. I don't want to hold on to it and have to throw it away. So kind of threw that in there for this customer for free. You know, he's a good guy. He's willing to pay for the details and stuff. So, you know, it doesn't take very long to apply that. So I went ahead and did it. So now we're going to do the exterior. We're going to give it a wash, and then I'm going to do some video to show how the coating's doing after a couple of months. This vehicle sits outside all the time in the sun, so it's a good test vehicle for that. So let me go ahead and get the wash started. I got my Ryobi ready to go, my buckets ready to go, my foam cannon. So let's go ahead and get this vehicle cleaned up. All right, so the vehicle's been washed. It's still wet, and thank God it's cloudy out here, so I don't have to worry about drying it off in a split second before the sun bakes the water on there. So I want to show you guys how the paint's doing as far as the hydrophobic qualities are concerned. We'll soak it up real good there. And just look how that rolls off of there. Very, very nice. Now, mind you, as I mentioned, I coated this just a few months ago, so I wouldn't expect any loss of hydrophobic qualities at this point. Otherwise, I wouldn't be doing ceramic coatings because it wouldn't be worth it. But just want to show you guys how it looks after a few months. Very, very, very nice. Look at that water roll off. Look at those beads. Beautiful beads. Let's do the sides here and check that. Water's rolling off just as I would have expected it to. Whoa, sprayed a little too much water that time. Beautiful beads. Wow, awesome. All right. So I can say that this vehicle is doing very, very well. I don't think there's any reason to put any kind of top coating on it at this point. I think the coating is very, very healthy. Probably after 6 months, I'll probably consider putting on like a Gtechniq Easy Coat or something as a drying aid, just to kind of maintain that coating, keep it healthy. But right now it's only been a few months, so I think we are good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and dry this thing down and deliver it to the customer. All right, we're all finished up here. The vehicle is washed, dried, did the wheels and tires, full interior detail. It took me about 3 hours, but I've been hustling ever since I got here. I didn't stop, no brakes, just work straight through. That's the way I do it. So if you are interested in a ceramic coating or getting your vehicle detailed, I don't do a lot of mobile stuff, only for repeat customers and good customers of clients of mine, but I do a lot of shop work. I have locations in Palm Beach County and Fort Lauderdale where you can drop your vehicle off, get it fully detailed or ceramic coated. So give me a call, 561-906-9454, or you can shoot me a text and give you a free estimate on whatever it is that you're interested in. Charles Alvarez, Prestige Detail and Ceramic. Thanks for checking out my video, and subscribe or hit the like button. See you next time.